very exciting today. For the first time ever, we are bringing the Sweet Charity Choir team remotely together to create something musical for our members and for the world, whoever finds it. So we're just going to very quickly take you through the process of what happens to make a music video. Bear in mind that this is within isolation rules. We're not exactly like professional sound engineers and, you know, editors and all of that kind of stuff, so just for fun. Bear in mind that it takes a lot longer when you have like an actual studio and all of that kind of stuff. So if you don't know, the Sweet Charity Choir team is myself. I'm the leader and founder and creator and all of that, managing director stuff of Sweet Charity Choir. George, who is my confidant, as well as a media manager, and he takes photos and videos and all of that lovely stuff for me. We have Kurt, who is a brand new leader. He's a choir leader that started in January. Nelly is his lovely partner, who has been so great in getting on board with Team Sweet Charity Choir, providing wonderful entertainment and general loveliness and great singing in the Braintree Choir. They actually met because of Sweet Charity Choir. George and I have been working from our side on a few things, and Kurt and Nelly have been working from their side of things as well. So we're going to show you two different households of what we've been doing together to make an end project just for you guys. So we're quickly going to take you through everything that we're doing. Enjoy! To give it more depth, I'm going to be playing two different piano parts. So I'm going to start with an electric keyboard, so it's a much more mellow sound to it, so you've always got that sort of wash of chords going on, because sometimes piano can be a little bit too harsh, and we're going to add Kurt's guitar into it, which will be the main focus of it. So the keyboards are kind of just a sort of back seat idea. I'm going to do electric keys first, and then I'm going to add some nice piano to give it a little bit more direction. As the piece drives, then I'll add more lower piano to give it a little bit more excitement, and then hold off again. So that's the plan.
Are you pleased with that take?
Yeah, it was good. Takes a while, because you've got to try and get the feel. I'm thinking of what Kurt's going to be doing with his guitar. I have no idea what he's going to do with guitar. You know, like, I have no idea what he's going to do. He might just do one, he might do a couple, no idea. So I'm trying to preempt what he might do and give a couple of different options just in case. So we've just finished that, and over here you can see that I've gotten rid of all of the stuff I didn't like. That is my electric piano track all the way through, and then there were two takes that I really liked on the piano which had all the little plinky plonky bits, the plinky plonkies. So I've highlighted in pink so Kurt knows which ones I really like. And now I'll send it over to Kurt, and the rest of it is in his hands until we sing.
So we're about to start recording Nelly's part. So how are you feeling? Here's the setup.
Very scary.
There's the camera that's going to be filming. It's stacked on videotapes there. So yeah, we're about to start having a little practice.
I've run out. What do I keep forgetting to do?
You keep forgetting to breathe. Between your like a river flows, like a river flows, surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand. That's your next time to breathe, all right? So you need to breathe between all of them.
Okay.
Yeah?
Thank you.
So there's your main one. There's your guide one. Okay, so we're just about to film Nelly's final take.
I changed my top to feel more glamorous.
This is going to be the final take for Nelly's vocal and video, and so yeah, see you soon.
Yay! We've just done our takes.
Hey!
So what's now?
Now is just to do a little bit of editing, and then I'll get our track sent over to Jen and George, who will then add their vocals, because we've already done all the music, we've already got all the music. They'll add their vocals and do their videos. Then they'll send me back the audio to mixed, so get it all sounding really nice and really lovely. And then once that's done, I'll send them an exported file. That is the final music that they can then have and put the video together.
Yay!
So, yeah!
So good lot done this evening. Yeah.
So this is the vocal booth. So what this does is it encapsulates the mic and it gives you a more condensed sound. So you don't get that roomy type sound that you might be experiencing now through the mic on the actual camera. And this is the condenser mic that we're going to use.
It's having its first outing today.
Yeah.
I bought it like 2 years ago and forgot I bought it.
We just need to take that down slightly. This is a pop shield as well, so when you say P, obviously you have air coming out of your mouth. And what this does is it stops it from hitting the mic, so you don't get that popping sound as you say your P's and B's and stuff like that. So.
Also, this is the reality of the room situation that we're working with right now.
Yeah.
This is our dumping ground because that's all stuff to give away to charity. But we can't because it's considered fly tipping right now. You will only see this lovely New York background.
So what we also do is use these lights and we can control the Kelvin, I think it's called. It's like the temperature, but the colour, it's like the colour that you output. So at the moment it's on 3200. You can also make it go lighter so it looks more like daylight as well. I think for the video we're going to use it as a 3:2 because it looks warmer. So it gives you that warmer impression on the video. And we'll probably close the blinds for this as well. It's better that we don't have any natural light in this particular video.
I love how I'm like, oh, we're just going to do like a 20-second, and it's been 3 minutes.
Yeah, well, this is it. This is the reality. Then we'll send him over to Kurt and he can work his magic and make me in particular sound a lot better than I actually sound in real life.
You look so nice in this lighting.
I look nice in most lighting.
How you feeling?
Yeah, good. It was a bit nerve-wracking. Yeah, it's a lot different from like singing in the shower. You sort of, when you're under the spotlight, literally, especially in front of Jen, because she's so incredible, I was like, no, I can't help. Jen's like guiding me through like
Nice.
stuff.
Well done. Very proud.
Cheers. Hope everyone enjoys it.
It's really weird. It's really weird singing against people that aren't in the room. Also, not hearing the people that are on the recording, not being in the room. It's really, really strange. When you're recording into a microphone, it's really easy to just like shrink. I think the first time that George did a take, he was really quiet. I'm like, your voice isn't that quiet. So he sort of relaxed into it and then sang out more, and then it sounded a lot more natural and it sounded a lot more supported. And the same goes for me as well. I've done this for years and I still remember you've just got to sing normally, it will do its job, and you've got to sing as if you're performing it. And so I shut my eyes and I just imagined that all four of us were standing on the stage singing together, and it was great. Right, what's next?
So last little clip, just to show you that mixing is all done. This is what the song looks like in its digital format. So you can see everything there. That's how it looks before we put it into the actual video. And it's all done, so it's ready to go over now to have the video put to it. So super exciting. Woo!
So we've just heard back the mixing of the final track that Kurt has made for us. And it's so nice. I'm particularly proud of Nelly because like she doesn't do this for a living, you know. Myself, George and Kurt, we're in a wedding band together. We play multiple weddings and perform all the time. But Nelly doesn't, and she's got such a lovely little voice, and for her to be this brave, like, I'm super proud of her. I actually cried when he sent the track, because I was having an emotional day. Oh, Muen's very moved.
Not interested.
No, he's uncomfortable how moved he is. Oh, so okay, is that better? See, now we can enjoy it. I've just received, if you want to come have a quick look, I've just received some of the videos from Kurt and Nelly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take their behind the scenes videos and I'm going to make it into a little vlog alongside what George and I have done, so you can see the behind the scenes part of it. The whole process is I started the piano and then Kurt added all of his loveliness, all of his lovely music to it. Kurt and Nelly then sang their parts, sent it back to me. We recorded my vocals, George's vocals, the egg shaker, And then we sent that back to Kurt, who then mixed everything together to make the final audio track that you'll hear. Then Kurt and Nelly sent us their videos. I'm going to edit the behind the scenes vlogs, and then George is going to take all of our full takes and he's going to make a music video that will go with the final track. So everyone's played a part in this, and it's all for your Thursday enjoyment. Love.